So today guys, I've decided to get the train to Kew Gardens. So yeah, when you get the train down here, depending on what side you come out, you might need to go under or through the underpass. I thought I'd just let you know that because some of us got lost. So yeah, literally it's just one straight walk down this road. So today guys, we are at Kew Gardens. So guys, the road that I was saying that you can park on, which is free parking, is this one right here, Litchfield Road. So when you come, you can drive down there, there's no restrictions. And then you're opposite, this is the Victoria entrance, I think it's called. I'll confirm that in a second. So yeah, this is the entrance of Kew Gardens. It's been about 10 years since I've been here. Let's see, we're going to do a big comparison from when I last came and now. Basically just got through customs at Kew Gardens. Now, which way to go? So guys, just a word of recommendation, this park is, or garden should I say, is massive. Definitely recommend to get a map so you can take a look and navigate your way around. But so much to see. The park is normally open till about 8 o'clock, so the guesstimate is that it takes about 2 hours to go around. That's 8 o'clock on weekends and 7 o'clock on weekdays. So yeah, let's do this. What's going on guys? It's your boy Pac-Man at Where's Pac-Man on Instagram. And today I'm at the beautiful Kew Gardens. Take a look. And no better place to be wearing nature reserve at 460. You can follow them at 460 on Instagram. Where's Pac-Man? Kew Gardens, nature reserve. Let's do this. First stop, the Temple of Aeolus. Travel gang.
They're called the Ice Queens.
These are called the Ice Queens. Wow, would you have these in your garden? Ice, ice, baby. What are these called? Scrolling over the name. Wow. Someone's doing that model shoot. Ed Sheeran over there. Basically guys, this is the place where you're gonna come to if you want inspiration for your garden. For sure. Some beautiful plants, man. I know some people have dug some of these up to put them in their bag. For sure. Basically, being dead, this is meant to be wild grapes. Wild grapes. I'm being dead to eat one of these. Should I eat one? Okay. This is like the most sour grape I've ever tasted in my life. It's like, these are definitely not right for sure. What was it? So the truth is, yeah, just eating this, but I don't even know if it's a certified grape. I couldn't eat a fucking one of them poison berries. And Roy, he was telling me not to eat things I don't know, and look what I just done. So guys, if I die, R.I.P. me, innit? So this is in someone's allotment. Look at this right in front of my face. And then look at this big one over here on the floor. Wow. So I remember this from the last time I came here. Interesting. Oh wait, oh no, it's not that. I'm not going to spoil it. So just about to enter
We're doing it that way.
Davies Alpine House. It's got a funny smell for rocks though. It's like a mix of rocks and shit. The Rock Gardens. Gardens. This is beautiful. Prince of Wales Observatory. May enter.
Oh, these are nice.
Cacti. Cactus. Whichever way you want to say it. So for those who want to see how the aloe vera grows. Wow.
It's good for beds. It's good for water when you're thirsty in the desert.
Okay. This is a typical aloe vera. And then you got this one, the cactus kind. Damn. Alright guys, we're in the Prince of Wales Conservatory. Follow me. Tropical rainforest, zone 1. Let's do this. So as you can see, I'm going to pretend like I know what I'm talking about.